Hey guys, we're back. First painting in a while. I think it's been about a month since I've been able to actually paint. I'm just gonna kind of play today and see what happens. I'm doing like a yellowy beige kind of tribute to the halfling or horse, since we have two of them now. Alright, let's see what happens. Gonna need, this is a 16 by 20, so I got my big cup. I don't want to run out. I keep running out of paint. I'm like, I got enough, but I don't. Alright, so this white was freshly made, and it was a little wonky making it. It was the end of the bottle, so there's probably a lot of chunks in it, unfortunately. Gold and yellow. Which is like real halflinger color. And lighter yellow. Sandy beige. I'm gonna do a little bit of brown. Gold. Probably all the gold I'm going to add. And now I just repeat. This is probably going to be a little bit messy. I'm going to try and do like a... I've seen somebody that just kind of like dump it in like splatters. Like, kind of like that. Hey look, don't have enough paint. Pour some more in this cup. It's not just straight white. Okay. Well, this is definitely something. Okay, here we go. So I went from not enough paint to way too much. You guys can't even see the whole canvas. I think I've never used way too much like this. This is like more than way too much. I've got it everywhere. Okay folks, here we go. I don't know, I guess I just really don't like yellow. Every time I try to do something with yellow, I don't like it. It really, it's no different than anything else I do. Got some interesting parts. Come down in here. You can see how much waste is left over. I'm sure when I take it up, it'll be a lot. I'll have to make another small painting, a dip painting with it. Anyway, here are some good cells that are popping up. And these are pretty cute over here. Real happy with this area. And then this gold is like kind of a gray brown. I hope it, when it dries, it looks better because it's not doing much for me here. I think when it dries it'll be better. All this swirl of gold will maybe actually be gold and not gray brown. But whatever. There we go. Our yellow painting. If you enjoyed watching and you'd like to see more, go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.